Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on Devonshire Road, Salford M6 to show you this exciting opportunity. It is a spacious 2-bedroom detached bungalow located in a great area, within walking distance, should I say, just a stone's throw from Salford Royal Hospital. As you can see, it benefits from a driveway and a garage, providing off-road parking to the side. Let's take a look inside. So as we go into the porch, head on through to a welcoming entrance hallway, which on your left leads to a bay-fronted lounge, which is a really good size. Not short on space in this property at all. Go through to the second bedroom, which is a large double. Then we have a 3-piece bathroom. Straight over the way, we have a large main bedroom. Would be a really good size double. We have the dining room just through here, and just off there, with this large kitchen diner space. To the rear of the property, a true gem. This is lovely, beautifully presented, mature garden, later lawn grass, paving, and mature plants. Would be ideal for someone looking to downsize but staying with an easy access of local amenities. Bungalows are a really rare find in this area. We're expecting a lot of interest. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.